Okay, we're back. We're going to try to manhandle this big turd into here. Okay, you're going to probably have to yank the bottom in, would be my guess, as I'm pulling it over that way.
So what side do you want me to stand on?
You're on that side of the bike. There's only room for one on each side.
Okay.
These bars are going to be a problem. They're right in my damn back. So.
What about this mount?
What mount?
Up top. I'm gonna put that last.
I have no idea where that mount goes. Do you have any idea where it goes? I have no idea where it goes.
Yes, right there.
Well, then it's going to go this direction. So right now it's going to sit there on my way.
All right.
That hose is, where's it go to? It's just going to get in my way in a minute. I'm going to clear these damn handlebars. Watch your head. I'm going to clear the bars this way. That'll give me a lot of room.
The hose is already out the way.
Not much you grab a hold of here. Ah! Jam her in there. I'm going to clear this way. Put it down. Yeah, I don't think it goes in this direction. I've never seen a Harley motor going from the left. Never. Okay, ain't going to drop in or what? We're way short from going in. We're not even close. Ain't going to go that way. Look out. I've never seen a motor go in the left. Never. Brake pedal's in the way, on the right. The rocker box is hitting heavy, like an inch into the frame here.
Yeah, you gotta just kind of squeeze it in there, I guess.
Yeah, you can guess all you want, but it wasn't moving.
No. I'm gonna Google it.
You can go in the other direction.
Google it.
Google all you want. Alright, get out of my damn way. Get on the left side. Grab the crank. Ready? Hold it in there. Okay. Yeah, they go up to the left. Like hell they do. I've never seen a motor go on the left side yet. Yeah, see, they go right in from the right. See, Harley makes the frames. Obviously, it's all set to the left. Gives you an extra inch or so on the right, so you need to get it in there. And everything's made to just go in this direction. The transmission's all set way this way too. So it lines up when you're on the right. When you're on the left, you're not even close. All right. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Ah. That thing hurt.
What happened?
Well, besides my back hurt, and I walk into the side of that damn thing in my ribs. Makes me feel perfect. I like working on crap bikes. Didn't I mention that before? Okay, we need to get the back of the motor in. I need a flashlight. They're all on your side again. Okay, the motor needs to go forward and down. We're laying on the front mount right now. Yes. Okay, give me that big screwdriver. See how that moved down now? Okay, you go on your side, pry the bottom out. It'll slide your way when you do. Sliding over. Okay, stop. Get the front bolt, top bolt in there if you can. Wiggle around a little bit. I'm trying to get mine to start. I think mine started. Get on going. Okay, we get to the bottom now. Okay, we need to go down a little bit or forward. I think it just needs to be pulled in. bolt won't start. Is your bolt starting it all on the bottom?
Yeah. Wait, let me see.
Mine's not.
No, mine's not either.
Okay. Did you get a top bolt to start? Mine did.
Mine did too, I believe so.
Okay, where's our front corner mounts? Is that gonna go in that hole or not? Put your finger on the bolt.
Where is
The top of the bolt. Is it trying to go in the hole?